Okay, let's take a look at our course calendar. This is preliminary. As we go through, I'll make adjustments depending on what the needs are for the class. But we'll start off with AutoCAD just to do an introduction and a review to the topic of mechanical drawings using AutoCAD with skills that you already know but may not have used a lot recently. And then we'll do a couple of weeks, 3 weeks of Inventor. This will be working with component parts that make up a design, mechanical component assemblies, and we'll work there with the idea of tolerances and geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, and also some of the associated things that go along with component parts, things like bills of materials and work orders and inspection notes. So, and that will be mostly in Inventor, but there will be some other basically Office Suite programs that go with it. Then we're going to do what we call a design practicum. That's where you'll be given a project by a client. We actually have a client that does need some design work done. So you're going to get to do a real world work on a real world job. We don't know what that will come out to be yet. We need to have the client present their need to us. And the people that will be presenting it will be the sociology club. It will have to do with water quality, either water quality testing or water quality improvement or water quality monitoring, something along the lines of water quality. And this case, we're going to be talking about creating system packages. So the idea is that you will take existing product, repackage it into a complete system that does the job that the client wants. And then you'll present that to them. Okay. And then we'll do a final documentation package and present your work. Okay. So that comes up in March 20th through March 26th. Then we change a little bit from mechanical components, system components, to MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing for construction. We'll talk about, and these will all be in Revit. Okay, and that'll be supply air systems, plumbing systems, and clash detection. We're not going to focus on the electrical. We're going to focus mostly on HVAC and plumbing. And we'll do some clash detection along with that. Okay, and that says Revit, but it'll either be Navisworks or Bluebeam. And then we'll spend a couple of weeks doing review because this is a broad amount of stuff to do as we go. Okay, so there we go. We do have a spring break, March 13th through 19th, and our final exam will be per the published dates on the ARC website. I don't remember when those are right now, but we can go to the website to look those up. So there we go, course calendars and the topics of what we'll be working on.